Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to withdraw money from your Robinhood account. Whether you're just taking some cash out or you're planning to close your account entirely, I'll walk you through the full withdrawal process and also explain a few important things you need to know before transferring your money. Let's go ahead and open the Robinhood app and sign in. I'll keep this simple and easy to follow. If this video helps you, make sure to hit the like button since this is a quick guide and it really helps support the channel. Once you're inside the app, tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner. From here, select the transfer option. You'll see multiple choices on this screen. Transfer to Robinhood means adding money into your account, while transfer to your bank is the option you'll want if you're withdrawing money. Go ahead and tap Transfer to your bank. Now you'll be asked to enter the amount you want to withdraw. You may notice that your available cash to withdraw is lower than your buying power, and this is completely normal. Robinhood doesn't take your money, it simply holds some funds temporarily. This usually happens if you recently sold a stock, received a free reward stock, or made a quick bank transfer. Robinhood often allows instant buying power, but withdrawals may be delayed until funds fully settle. If you tap the information icon, you'll see a breakdown showing available cash, unsettled funds, and rewards. Unsettled cash typically becomes available within a few business days. Reward stocks usually take around 60 days after selling before the money can be withdrawn. Once your funds are available, return to the transfer screen, enter the amount you want to withdraw, and tap Review. Confirm the amount and double-check that the linked bank account is correct and still accessible to you. After you submit the transfer, that money will no longer be available in your Robinhood account. The transfer usually takes a few business days to appear in your bank account. If you change your mind, you can edit the amount or cancel before submitting. If you want to learn more about using Robinhood the right way, check out the next video on screen. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.